Our story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, heads-up display, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, stability control, autonomous braking, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, suspension control magnetic, voice activated navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.